Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gyanoday English classes. I am Rahul and I am back with the new topic. The topic is women should go outside for earning money or not. So let's start the topic.
Hi, I am Sonam. In my opinion, women should not go outside for earning money because in the olden days, everyone works was divided. The men used to work outside the home and the women used to do household work, and there is a balance in the family.
Yes, of course. But recently, women have engaged with the various jobs and they gain respect from the society. However, many think that women's rightful place in the society is home. However, the happiness and security that results from women's as a mother, wife, they should not be sacrificed for extra little money and material possession.
Women used to earn money even by staying at home, by taking coaching classes, stitching clothes, and it's also help in the family.
Of course, what you are saying, it's true. But I think so all the women do not take interest on the same thing. Staying home, taking tuition classes, stitching clothes. They do not have the same interest. I think so if you want to become DSP, can you become DSP staying at home? You will have to go outside to study.
Okay, it is seen the women are the axis of the family and the women have inborn power how to manage family. Men can't manage family in this way.
I think so. It should not be based on a skill. You cannot judge man and women in the base of their skill. For instance, Gitanjali, one of my friend, she is 20 years old. In her view, man and women should have equal share of responsibilities. So denying a women to get a job, denying a wife to get a job, the household work should automatically transfer to the husband.
But because of absence of women in the house, children do not get good values and education. They become stubborn.
But taking care of children doesn't mean parents have to live with them for a long time. For instance, my mother has been working since I was a child, but she has always given me good advice and led me become a responsible person, even if she had not enough time to spend with me.
But I seen in the desire of earning more money, the woman unable to keep her family united.
But there is a reason for that. Women have to work outside to earn money because a husband cannot fulfill the requirements and cannot support the family working outside alone. So women have to work to fulfillment and requirement for the family.
But mostly jobs are very demanding and stressful, and that's why women show their anger in the family and family disturb because of this.
I think so. I am not agreed with you because it depends on the human being. Angerness and kind of things, it is also kind of emotion, so you can get it easily. So you cannot say that they work outside and they get anger and they respond in the family the same thing. There are vast amounts of places where women can work. In most cases, income earned by man cannot fulfill and support the entire family. So both must go outside. Man and women must go outside to earn money to fulfill and support the family.
Where women do not go out for earning money, it doesn't mean family is from hand to mouth. We should happily adjust with the income of the family. Women should not hanker after money at the cost of family's value and culture.
There may be times when the husband is unable to provide adequate support to the entire family. In case of when the husband is because of illness or other extenuating circumstances, so it is necessary for a women to go outside and to obtain a job. So in conclusion, I think so there should be equal share of responsibilities between the man and the women should show man what they can contribute to the society and to the country.
But I think when there was no requirement to go out for earning money, women not go out for earning money.
As I already told you, in most of cases or generally in some cases, husband is unable to do job.
So what is the conclusion of our discussion?
The conclusion is that women must go outside, obtain a job, utilize their skills and interest and so men what they can contribute to the society and the country. So friends, it depends on you, it's upon you. Take decision according to the situation and use your prudent.
Thank you for watching us and to listening us.
So friends, we will definitely come back soon with next video. Thank you for watching Gyanodaya English classes.
Thank you.
Thank you.